When I reviewed the eufyMake E1 UV printer a little while back, I was blown away by what it was able to produce. The quality of the output was incredible, the detail amazing, but there were two questions that continue to come up from the community and people that visited my shop. First of all was, how expensive is the ink? With 6 ink cartridges and a cleaning cartridge, it must not be inexpensive, and that's part of the reality of a machine like this. The other question was, could it print any faster? Now, it was producing some of these very high quality coasters in about 12 minutes, which I think is very reasonable. But if you're running a more production heavy shop, or if you want to start producing items for craft shows and that sort of thing, you might want a little bit more. What's awesome is that eufyMake has made a very exciting announcement that addresses both the cost of the ink as well as the speed of the machine, plus one kind of huge update that I'll get to at the end of this video that kind of addresses both at a totally different scale. Now, before I jump in, I do want to say that eufyMake did provide the E1 UV printer free of charge for review purposes originally. I do have affiliate links and coupon codes in the description below if you are interested in making a purchase, but just know that they are not reviewing the content of this video in any way, shape, or form. So now I've been using the E1 UV printer for a little while now, and very much as I would say like a casual hobbyist, not using it every day, but using it usually a couple of times a week. If somebody has a birthday party coming up, I usually put together a few coasters. The image AI tool that is in the eufyMake software is incredible. And you can also use ChatGPT or other tools to generate really cool images that you can then overlay on kind of any material that you want to print on here. What I didn't expect is for this to become such a glamorous party trick. So sometimes if I'm gifting a coaster to somebody, or they see something in the shop or in the house, they ask, oh, how did you make, or did you make that? How did you make that? And I show them, and they're like, oh, that's cool. And I'm like, did you want one? And I usually just go spin up the AI tools, do something funny for them, and they can leave the house with something tangible. So I really didn't expect that to be one of the primary use cases of this machine, but that's really how it has worked out for me, again, as a very casual hobbyist. Now, of the 3 announcements that were made recently by eufyMake, the biggest and most immediate, because it's already live in the US, Canada, and many other regions, is of course related to ink pricing. For example, in the US, the complete ink and cleaning cartridge kit has dropped from $299 to $209, while the individual cartridges have dropped from $42 to just $29 each. These are permanent price reductions, not temporary sale prices, and subscription pricing reduces these even further, bringing that $209 ink and cleaning cartridge kit down to just $140, and the full kit down as low as just $19.99 each. eufyMake has also decided to implement price matching for all ink and cleaning purchases as of June 1st, 2026. So if you made a purchase of ink, you can contact them for an adjustment on that, which is absolutely incredible. The other big change when it comes to ink is that shelf life has improved from 12 to 15 months without lowering quality or safety standards, and every ink is still Green Guard Gold certified. So why should you care about lower ink prices? I think with a machine like this, many people are selling their items at craft shows. So this has an immediate impact on your return on investment. And while the amount of ink that you use on any one print may not be that significant, if you are batching through a lot, or if you're producing hundreds and you're going through ink cartridges, this does lead to a pretty important return on investment for your various products that you sell. So I think that that's something that a casual hobbyist might consider a little bit, or might be positively impacted a little bit, but those that are much more serious makers or running any sort of production off of a machine like this, it's a pretty big deal. Although the 3rd announcement today is even gonna change that more for you. So now the second announcement that eufyMake is a software update that is supposed to be coming in Q3 of 2026, and that is bidirectional printing. So rather than just printing in one direction and then resetting, then doing it again, it could print both ways. Now, this essentially speeds up the printing by about double. So in their testing on an A4 sheet of paper, so this is from eufyMake, I haven't been able to test this myself, but they were able to cut the production time from 18.5 minutes to just 9.5 minutes. So why does bidirectional printing matter that much? For somebody like me that's a casual hobbyist, 12 minutes versus 6.5 minutes isn't going to be a huge deal. But if you are producing a higher quantity of products out of the machine, or if you're doing longer banners, that sort of thing. This is going to allow you to produce nearly twice the number of products in the same afternoon. This is just absolutely huge for makers that are selling products, and I'm really excited to test it when it's launched this year. So the last update is one that really kind of flips things on its head for serious production shops or makers that are using this machine in a much more professional way than the casual hobbyist. I want to make sure I don't screw any of this up, so I am going to be referencing my notes here. So the final announcement is something that eufyMake is calling the high capacity continuous ink supply system. So essentially this is an external piece of hardware that connects to the machine. It replaces all of the ink cartridges here with much higher capacity ink cartridges, especially for white glossy, which is, that's where the majority of my ink is coming from, white and glossy. So those are cartridges that I replace more often than any of the other inks. In fact, I haven't had to replace the CMYK at all, but I have replaced the white and glossy through my regular usage so far. So instead of 6 standard 100 milliliter cartridges, as I have in the E1 here, it adds the external ink station with much larger reservoirs. So the ink cartridges are 300 milliliters instead of the 100, but the white and glossy are 1,000 milliliters. And I think that when you look at that, and one thing that eufyMake has claimed is that you're going to see significantly lower price per milliliter, even compared to the new price on the regular ink cartridges. So I think that that's where you're going to see further improved ROI. You're going to have less maintenance on the machine, less struggle to get ink if you have to order it and have it delivered. You're going to just have this bigger continuous system that I think is going to be incredible for serious makers and production facilities. Now, there are no details on pricing or availability at this time, but I think that this is going to be a very cool update for those that really want to take this machine to the next level. One of the other features that is coming with the high capacity continuous ink supply system is real-time ink monitoring. Now, this is one of those interesting things, and one of the complaints that I had in software about the E1 is that the ink levels, it's kind of fuzzy, and I'll throw up a screenshot here, but you can't quite tell how much is there. But in this update from eufyMake, they kind of explain why. So with the ink cartridges at this size, it's really hard for them to estimate how much ink is in there. So they have a bit of a wider band of kind of how they would display it in software. So there is a reason behind that fuzziness or blurred lines in the software with the E1. Now, with the new system, it provides much more precise monitoring, making it easier to know how much ink you have before you're starting your project. So I think that that's a pretty cool update, that you are going to have these like nicer lines. The system also introduces constant pressure ink delivery for more consistent printing during long jobs, automatic white ink circulation to reduce settling, and even allows for more of the remaining ink to be used before replacement. That was one of the things that they've shown me as well, is that you're going to get almost to the bottom of the ink cartridge every single time with this new setup. So these 3 updates really don't change the capabilities of this already powerful machine, but what they do is they make it cheaper to operate, they make it faster, so you're going to be able to produce more in the same amount of time, and they make it much more viable for small businesses and serious hobbyists. I love it when you see companies take this kind of machine and they just continue to improve it rather than just trying to fast track the launch of like an E2, for instance. So it's great to see them put energy and effort into continuing to improve this machine, make it more viable for more hobbyists and small businesses through price decreases on the supplies. And yeah, I'm thrilled with this. I can't wait to give bidirectional printing a try. I don't know if the high capacity ink system is really for me. I don't think that I would get a lot of use out of it, but I think for a lot of serious businesses, that's going to be an absolutely killer feature. So thanks for watching this update. Stay tuned for more videos in the future.